All right, guys, welcome back. So, we got another Dan. This is Dan Pajerski. Welcome, Dan. It's his first day here at Atlas Motor Company. We're expanding the team here. And for months, if not years, we've been wanting to bring you on board.
Yeah, it was like a year in April, I think,
yeah,
of me just stopping by and saying, hey, can I come work for you?
Dan brings a wealth of experience in many different luxury brands, working at a high-line level dealership, and he is going to be helping me continue to bring more and more inventory on here as our inventory manager. So we're really excited and grateful to have him here today. And yeah, tell us what you tried, man. Tell us about yourself.
That was great off the dome. You did fantastic with that. Hey guys, I'm Dan Pajerski. Friends with these guys for quite a while. I've known Dave for years, and I'm stoked to be aboard. I'm ready to help streamline their process of inventory and service and getting things up front. I don't know. I'm excited to wear a lot of hats for a long time.
That's it. What do we got here, man? What just showed up today?
We just got this Topaz on Cinnamon M3 convertible with, I think, a factory hardtop. I think it's factory at least.
I think it
looks
is
factory. It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
This thing was 65 grand brand new. I just looked at the window sticker.
The window sticker's in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It was expensive when it was new. It's a 10 out of 10 color combo. I mean,
great color combo.
You cannot beat this.
Great color combo. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Nice. So Dan is going to be making sure that when this one gets handed off to me for sale, it is as pristine and in good shape, hits all of our quality check marks, and she'll be ready to go to its new home. I got a feeling this one's going to be going across country.
Probably. I can see it.
I got a feeling.
This will be on the PCH at some point.
We saw you. Oh, see, this is bad, guys. Look, we got Daniel.
I know. If your name is Dan, do not apply. I mean, you'll have a higher chance of getting the job, but like...
It took us a few days to figure out what email address we're going to use for you. So you got 3 Dans now. Anyhow, we saw you 2 weeks ago at Cars and Coffee.
Yeah.
And you were driving your...
I have a 99 Conchu Z4M Coupe in Arctic Silver on a Storal Blue. Just so good.
That's
also.
Sweet.
I love it.
That's sick.
Absolutely love it.
Atlas is getting stacked.
I know. We have so many cool cars in the fleet here.
Yeah, that's exciting, man. Well, want to introduce you to the man himself. You're going to be seeing Dan a lot more on camera.
I don't know how to say it. I'm excited to take some weight off of your shoulders in terms of being the superstar.
There you go. There you go. Dan P, everybody.
All right, we'll start with who you are and how'd you find out about Atlas?
Hi, my name is Mike Hoffman, repeat customer at Atlas. I was introduced to Dave and Dan and Sean and the crew when my oldest son Matt purchased a vehicle from here back in 2019. I was in the market for a car, and I purchased a Z4M just like this last January. We've done some customization and refreshing. I'm in the process of waiting for some performance parts coming from Spain. We will do a dyno pull next door to get a baseline. Then we will do the modifications, redo some tuning from HTE Performance out of the UK. We'll do some live dyno tuning. February, I needed something a little bit more, some cargo in it, so I just purchased the X3 you see behind us, the blue one. That's my second vehicle from Atlas. We're 3 times repeat customers and always looking possibly more.
Following along more with the Z4M Coupe, this is the Interlagos on red Z4M, one owner that we're getting ready here. And today, as you can see, John is knocking out the connecting rod bearing replacement. He's got the wheel pan right here. We're in his way. Whoop, whoop. So, last week, end of the week, you saw us knock out, Sean walked you through a full Vanos overhaul with these on components. Knocking out full Vanos overhaul, and the rod bearings both completely done. Big 2, you could say, on the M Coupe, now done. So check it out. You can see the wear on the connecting rod bearings. Got some copper showing on four of them. It was definitely time. This car is just over 90,000 miles on its S54. It's an 06, so whoever buys this car from us is going to have close to $6,000 worth of mechanical investment in it from us, rod bearings and Vanos, on top of everything else that we're going to be doing cosmetically and as far as basic maintenance goes. So it's going to be quite the car. Yeah, only 6 were made in this color combo, and you will probably see this near the end of the week, if not next week, be available for sale. So if you're interested in this car, throw your hat in the ring. It's going to go quick.
fact that you know that. Only 6? What?
Yeah, I wonder how many they actually got.
Yeah.
You gotta see one or two of them.
That is. Yeah. It's 6 back then. I'd bet money this is the only one. What do you guys think?
Worst BMW repair. I'd say I don't do many. So the stuff I do is easy, but I'd say headliner. I had an E92 Coupe. I had to drop the headliner so they could do dent work. And that was a pain in the butt. That was a pain in the butt. Oh yeah, and then my 2009 3 Series wagon, the previous owner did a whole bunch of like random terrible audio equipment in it. And I had to basically like track down, there was broken wire. And I had to go through all the wiring and track down a bad ground. It was awful. It was awful. I hate electric work.
What is the worst repair you've done? Most difficult repair you've done on a BMW specific vehicle?
The worst one I've done. Oh, dude, that is so tough. Thankfully, I don't ever work on my own cars, so I don't even know.
That's what I thought you were gonna say.
I mean, I do. I've learned a good amount lately. Oh, what have I done?
If not a BMW, then we'll take anything.
I've only ever owned BMWs, really.
Great,
So.
perfect.
I think like the most time consuming was I did a diff reseal on my last C36 M3.
Oh wow.
That was pretty time consuming, especially like balancing it on a jack, getting it out by myself. That was tough, for sure.
By yourself?
Yeah. I can't believe I did it. I got like little arms too. I don't know how I did all that, but.
Most difficult BMW repair was on my E30. It was a 1987 325 IS that was S50 swapped. And I was driving through Hoboken, New Jersey, known for its fine roads. And I got up the next morning, went to go leave for a meeting, and there was about a gallon of oil in the parking garage under my car. So I had cracked the oil pan, and at that point, I was pretty new to the swap, and so sourcing an oil pan was difficult because it came from I think it was an E46 525 that I had to find. So at that point, just finding the part was the biggest pain in the butt. But that was probably my worst repair on any BMW I've owned.
You got an answer for us, John? Most difficult repair? BMW specific.
That I've ever done?
That you've ever done?
Block and piston M57.
I don't even know what in the world, so it sounds difficult to me.
Yeah, that or block and piston N63.
Sean,
Jay.
most difficult BMW repair that you have done, Master Tech.
It's kind of a stretch, but basically anything Mini Cooper. Clutches, superchargers on first gen Coopers, filter housing gaskets on Coopers, just all around miserable pieces of machinery.
Most difficult BMW repair, BMW
Honestly,
products.
putting windshield washer fluid in can be a real bear sometimes.
Get out of here, Daniel.
Sometimes like you start to pour it and then it just like almost like a cup that has too much ice in it where it just smashes all like into your face.
You got no control and
You got no control and you just drop it all over the place. It's real pain.
I don't even know how you work here, Daniel.
All right, no, seriously. So at the minor things that I've done, I don't know if like difficult's the right word, but it can be annoying depending on
That's fine.
like the car, and just like how old it is. I know there's a few like pinion seals that I've done, which like a pinion seal is not like typically a hard thing, but it can be kind of annoying because you end up just removing so many things like exhaust, hangers, everything. You drop that, you're dropping the drive shaft just to get to the pinion seal. Once you get in the pinion seal, a lot of times it's going to be extremely dirty in there and it's kind of gross.
Hello, Jay. Thanks again for checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.